Hey everybody, it's Alex, the founder and CEO at Motoroso, and in this video we're going to give you a close-up look at the FSPE aero kit that we just installed on our Focus RS build. And if you're not familiar with FSPE, it's because they're a relatively new, but in my opinion, up-and-coming manufacturer of really high-quality motorsports level aero that comes in at a great price point and looks super clean and sharp for street applications. And they're great guys too. They're based in the Central Valley of California, and FS stands for father-son because it's a father-son team doing performance engineering for awesome applications. Now this family-run operation are really investing in quality. I mean, they make all of this aero out of 12-gauge 5052 aluminum. That's almost 1/10 of an inch thick. So it's still gonna be light, but it's also incredibly strong. And to make it durable, they're coating it in a black powder coating that they do in-house that is extra tough. And the whole thing is CNC laser cut for precision, so it looks really sharp and clean. Right down to the splitter rods being machined in-house and the hardware included in the package being of the top quality, this product is entirely made in the USA and not short on details. FSP is making kits for many different applications, and they continue to do research and development to add new fitments. But of course, this was for the Focus RS, which was one of the first applications they ever focused on because of the founder's interest in this specific vehicle, and who can blame them? We all love the Focus RS. Now, there are 3 different versions of their body kits for this application. This is the latest, the V3, and this is the most detailed, has the most features and bells and whistles to it. Starting with the splitter. Now, it's a 2-layer design, so instead of 1 layer of that 12-gauge aluminum, you have 2 separate layers, and this gives additional strength, but also additional design details and aesthetics. You can also go with the splitter rods, of course, which can be frame mounted or can be plastic mounted. That's an option that costs about $50 extra, and it has these vertical fins on either end. And now the splitter does go all the way back, so it's a proper aero piece as well, providing extra protection for the engine bay, and meets up nicely with their separate skid plate. Now their skid plate can be installed by itself, and it's one of the most popular items that they sell for the Focus RS application, but it's a really stout skid plate that's gonna, again, continue to add more aero functionality and protect everything. Now this front splitter setup, the way that it's configured, costs around $500, and the skid plate comes in at $350. The side skirts on this kit also looking great, and a 2-layer option, again, giving that extra design element, and of course has that matching vertical fin to marry up to the front. This sets you back a little bit under $400. And back here at the rear, you can see they've got an incredibly detailed and elaborate rear diffuser with Spats. Now this thing has the vertical fins, 5 of them in total, and it's almost 3 feet long. This is gonna have a real aero effect on the vehicle, but it's also gonna give it really, really strong mounting, very, very stable. That centerpiece is $600, and you can add the side spats, which are 2 layers with, again, matching vertical fins to match the skirts and the splitter. That'll run just an extra $100, making this whole setup only $700. If you'd like to purchase this body kit, check us out at Motoroso.com, where you can reach us on live chat or call us toll-free at 833-668-6767. Now, we're also going to be doing a detailed step-by-step installation guide to show you exactly how to install this full body kit, and we'll put a link to that video right here. As you can see, we've also got coilovers, wheels, big brake kits, and a bunch of performance mods, and there's more coming, so subscribe to our channel and check out everything we do on our Focus RS build. Thanks for watching.